Welcome to Egypt in 5 minutes. Now, this is the temple of Abu Simbel, which is very impressive. After we built the high dam, this temple, which is amazing, was about to sink in the water. Originally, the temple was down there in the water. And we had to dismantle it in pieces and move it from down there all the way up here. And then put it together again. And then this artificial mount, which looks like sandstone, it is not sandstone, it is artificial. We made it from concrete, then we covered it by sandstone to look like natural. And our tour today is to get you inside this mount to see or to show you how amazing the whole mount from inside is. We go. In the 1960s, the Egyptian government decided to build the high dam to control the flood of the Nile. And this is because when the Nile used to flood in Egypt, the water used to cover the whole valley and it was not easy. When we built the high dam, lots of temples in Egypt behind the high dam were about to sink in the water. And the Egyptian government, by the help of UNESCO and 50 different countries all over the world, decided to move these temples to a safe area. One of those temples is the temple of Abu Simbel. But the temple of Abu Simbel is the temple was carved in a mount. So the problem was we need to move it and we need to put it in a mount that it didn't exist. That is why they decided at this time, back in 1968, to build a mount so they can put the whole temple in it. We call it sometimes the artificial mount because it's all made out of concrete. And sometimes also we call it the dome because people think it was solid, but it was hollow. And I think it's very impressive.
If you are new to my channel, please like this video and don't forget to subscribe so you can see everything new in the next time.
Now we walk in a little tunnel to show you this dome or this mount from inside, which we think was a miracle if you talk about engineering. We walk out in a small corridor, which is amazing. And then behind the temple of Abu Simbel and above it, this is the mount they built from concrete. You can see how impressive it is and how high it goes. Look at that. Look at that. This is it, and this is the temple underneath it, under some concrete. One of the most impressive engineering projects happened when we built the high dam is not just to move the temple of Abu Simbel and cut it in pieces and dismantle it, then reassemble it, but also to build this amazing project, an amazing mount or the dome. And very few people can see this since the dome and the mount are closed. But Egypt in 5 minutes got you a permission to see the great, amazing project.
If you enjoyed the video, please check out the other videos. You will love it.